We had a very strong earthquake here in Baguio City. Please take care, everyone. That was very strong. Lord, please protect us. Please protect us, Lord. Take care, everyone. Keep safe. Stay away from big buildings. That's the siren from the City Hall. Wow, that was so strong. Take care, everyone. Keep safe, Baguio. Lord, please protect us all. That was very strong.